Hi, Matt Byer Organizing with how to organize your garage. Now, before we talk about how, we have to start with why you want to organize your garage. For example, is the reason why to organize your garage to comfortably park your car in it? Now, some of you are going to say, yeah, well, obviously. Well, you'd be surprised how many would say, actually, that's not such an important reason why. We have worked with homeowners who want to prioritize the garage for general storage, for a carpentry shop, for a workout room, for band rehearsal, for an art studio, and, as in my case, for inventory storage. Now, this is not to say that you can't have more than one purpose in your garage, but if you have unlimited purposes, you will have limited success with garage organizing. Once you've gotten clear on why you want to organize your garage, there are just two essential directions you need to look at for how to create space: out and up. Out means you need to find a path out for items that don't belong through discarding, donating, selling, and relocating. See how our team does that here. Up means to look at vertical storage. To make the right choices, you need to recognize that you are ultimately limited to just three types of things in your garage space: shelvables, hangables, and non-negotiables. You need to start with the non-negotiables. These would include your car, a generator, a motorcycle, a lawnmower, and a snowblower. The more of these non-negotiables you have, the harder it's going to be to organize your garage, because they're just going to eat up floor space, and there's nothing you can do about it. So once you are clear on what your non-negotiables are, you have to look at every shelvable and hangable option there is for the rest. Shelvable options are simply items that can be contained in bins or otherwise fit comfortably on shelves. Please check out my video, Organizing Your Garage Storage Vertically, for details. Hangable items can hang from the walls or the ceiling. Please check out my video, Organizing Your Garage with Hangable Storage, for details on that. I suppose if I'm really being complete, I should include a category I'm calling slotables. These are vertical items that you fit between standing shelves or in corners. Here are a couple of examples. A $4 orange bucket from the Home Depot can go a long way with the slotables. Finally, I want to make a case for what I consider your number one organizing tool: a clear work surface. In the garage, the most common clear work surface is a workbench. A work surface is valuable as long as it is kept clear and not squandered on storage. Go vertical for the storage and leave the horizontal surface clear for processing. Otherwise, all bets are off for staying organized in the garage. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.